Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will focus on the inward casement window series, including the Champion Era inward casement window, the Asian Games inward casement window, and the Tuscany double inward casement window, and bring you an in-depth understanding of the features and advantages of these three products. First, let's take a look at the Champion Era inward casement window. It adheres to the advanced design concept of Phonpa, perfectly integrating safety and aesthetics. Customized interior opening and interior inverting design not only safer space, but also flexibly adapts to diverse home environments. The interior windows are equipped with Phonpa's patented safety corner protectors and metal anti-collision corner protectors, effectively preventing collisions and providing double protection, making the home feel secure. In terms of advantages, the Champion Era inward window not only enhances the beauty of the home with a flush structure design of the inner and outer frames and sashes, but also deeply optimizes its functionality. The three ceiling strips and the middle ceiling strip adopts a whole frame welding design to ensure that the ceiling strip is less prone to breakage and cracking, significantly improving the sound insulation and heat insulation of doors and windows, creating a quiet and comfortable home space with constant temperature. Next, let's look at the Asian Games inward casement window. This window has a widened mullion design, which increases the material strength and makes the overall structure of the window more stable, providing a solid guarantee for home safety and making it more suitable for use in high-rise buildings. The recyclable materials used in production also comply with green building standards. In terms of advantages, the Asian Games inward casement window not only focuses on safety and environmental protection, but also enhances the technological sense of life through intelligent opening and closing functions, making your home more modern. Finally, let's take a look at the Tuscany double inward casement window. This window combines traditional and modern design elements with unique charm. The opening design of sliding and invert opening makes opening convenient, lightweight, and space-saving, while achieving more flexible ventilation and lighting needs. The extremely narrow frame design and glass sash pressure line are installed outdoors without external new profile structure, with a simple and elegant interior view, enhancing the home style. Tuscany double inward casement window is both aesthetically pleasing and practical. 39 mm ultra-wide insulation strip, allowing homes to stay warm and comfortable without fear of cold and heat. The design of three ceiling strips has greatly upgraded the sound insulation, water tightness, and wind resistance performance. Champion Era inward casement window, Asian Games inward casement window, and Tuscany double inward casement window vary in design and functionality to meet the needs of different consumers. Whether you're looking for aesthetics, technology, or tradition, you'll find the ideal choice in the inward casement window range. If you have any needs or questions, please feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching, and please remember to subscribe to our channel. See you next time.